Hello guys, in today's video we're going to be reviewing Joker at Six Flags Discovery Kingdom. Now I went to this park April of this year, so we're going to be reviewing this coaster. But before I do it, as the time of this video, I already ridden 3 RMCs. Twisted Colossus at Six Flags Magic Mountain, Still Vengeance at Cedar Point, and then now this. So this is my 3rd RMC hybrid coaster ever ridden. So of course, to kick things off, let's share our honest review on this coaster. So as you leave the station, you're gonna turn to the left. You'll do some airtime hops, just like on Twisted Colossus and Still Vengeance and all that stuff. So you're gonna be doing some maneuvers and little dips before heading to your 100-foot tall lift hill. So then you will cross down the 100-foot tall lift hill, so you will see the view of the chutes right to your left, and then to your right you will see Medusa, Superman, and Screamer right there. So you will cross to the top of the lift hill. You will have a decent view of Discovery Kingdom, and so you will have a chance to look at the view. So once you cross up to the top, you will be able to see a nice view of Flash, Vertical Velocity, and all the other rides. So then you will drop in, not so big, but then after that you will head over to your first inversion, which is the step up underflip element, first of its kind in California. Then you'll turn around, do your Top Gun stall. That gives you a lot of hang time. I love that part of the ride. And then you do like a tricked up double up, and then you go into your bank turn, and then you do a little double down, and then you will do a little bit of ejector air and twist to the side. You'll do another bank turn, and then you will do an airtime dip, which give you a lot of ejector air on that moment. And then after that, you'll proceed to another bank turn, and then you will do a barrel roll element, which gives you hang time as well. Then you'll do a little bank turn, you'll do an airtime hill, which gives you ejector at the end, and then you hit the brakes. Decent ride, kind of short. Now I'm gonna give this a little lower score, so yeah. The reason why I'm giving this a lower score is because it is a shorter RMC. It's one of the weaker RMCs that I've ridden, and so, you know, rides like Twisted Colossus and Steel Vengeance are more aggressive hybrid coasters. But for the Joker, it just feels a little like out of place, you know. It's just, what I'm trying to say here is that it is a shorter RMC, and basically this was just a RMC conversion from their wooden coaster Roar. So they didn't really need an RMC this coaster, but it still looks like a fun ride. I mean, you know, I don't hate the coaster. It's just that they could have done better with the ride. I mean, made it a little longer and stuff. But I love the colors and all. But like, you know, the location is fine. But like, you know, it's not a terrible ride. It's just fun to ride. It's not probably gonna be your favorite RMC. But anyway, for its final score anyway, I'm just gonna give this ride a 4.5 because you know, it's fun. I do love the colors and the inversions and stuff, but you know, if you were to had to just modify the layout a little longer and maybe put some more airtime in some sort, it would be a better ride and maybe a taller roller coaster. So yeah, what do you thought about the Joker at Discovery Kingdom? Would you ride this a lot, or is this your favorite RMC? Post your comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.